Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm making egg custard tart, and this is one of my favourite desserts as a child. When I was a young boy, my mum used to take me shopping, and in our small town we had this beautiful bakery what made everything fresh on site every day. And she used to take me there and say, would you like something gingerbread man, egg custard tart? I always pick the egg custard tart, one of my favourites. So today, that's what I'm going to make. Right, here's what you'll need. So for this one I'm using ready-made short crust pastry. You can make your own. 260 ml of full cream milk and 260 ml of double or heavy cream, 100 grams of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and about half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and 7 egg yolks. So that's the ingredients. First we're going to prepare the pastry and blind bake the pastry. Right, I'm using a 7-inch sandwich tin, I suppose you could call it. It hasn't got a loose bottom, so I've lined it with greaseproof paper, but I've put these strips in to help lift it out. And just put the pastry into the pan. I'm just going to take a small piece of pastry off the corner and just use that to pat it in to the edge. So we're going to blind bake this. So what we're going to do is you get a fork, poke some holes in. This will let the steam escape from the pastry so it doesn't bubble up. So I've put some parchment paper, just going to scrunch it up, pumping it back out. That'll stop it rolling back on itself. That's for the inside. I've got some ceramic baking beads. I'm going to pour those in. That's going to go in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 20 minutes. Okay, so that's at 20 minutes. We'll remove these. Right, now we've taken the beads out. So we're going to egg wash it because we don't want a soggy bottom. So this will seal it, so when we put the fluids in, obviously it's not going to soak through the pastry. Right, and this is going to go back in the oven for a further 20 minutes. So while that's finishing off in the oven, we're going to start on the filling. So we're going to do the eggs first. We only need the yolks. So I'm just going to crack them open. Right, that's all my egg yolks in there. Yeah, a couple broke, but it don't matter anyway. We're going to be whipping those up. But before I start doing that, I'm going to start getting this milk warmed up. So on around about a medium heat, add the milk. The cream. And the vanilla extract. Right, just give that a stir. But obviously, while we are mixing the eggs and sugar, just keep an eye on it. Right, so with the eggs, gonna add the sugar. We need to whip this up to like a creamy texture. Should only take a few minutes. And there we are, that's changed to a light creamy colour. So that's that done. Okay, I've just taken the pastry packet back out. It's changed the golden colour. I don't want it to burn too much, so that's fine. We can leave that for a few moments. I have got 8 minutes left on my timer, but again, with it being a fan oven, you have to kind of adjust sometimes. But as you can see, it starts to pull away from the edges, so that's perfect. That'll be okay at that. Okay, that's starting to boil. So off with that, and put it near your egg mixture. Right, so what I'm going to do, got a ladle. We put just two scoops in. If you add it all, you will end up scrambling the eggs, and just mix all that together. Okay, so the mix, pour into the hot pan and give it a good mix together. And to make life easier, I've got a jug with a sieve, and I'm just going to pour the mix into there. Plus it will eliminate any lumps as well, like so. Right, so the oven temperature has been reduced to 45 minutes. I'm going to pour in the mix. So I have got some mix left, so you can use a bigger pan, say a 9-inch pan would take all the mix. But with that, it's not going to go to waste. I'm going to make some little small ones up. All we need to do now is add some nutmeg. And this is going to go in the oven at 150 Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes. And to make life easier, you can do this while the casing is sat on the oven shelf. Right, see you in about 40 minutes. Okay, timer's up. Right, it's out the oven on a wire rack. I'm going to leave it to cool completely. That's had just over, it's cooked for about 36 minutes. If you use a 9-inch pan, then you will need 45 minutes. But obviously with this being smaller, it's cooked quicker. And if I just give it a little tap, you kind of got that little jelly wobble going on, which seems to be perfect. So this is going to cool down completely, and then we'll give it a taste. Smells absolutely wonderful. Okay, all cooled down. Let's give it a try. Broke a bit of pastry off. Look at that, perfectly done. Right, so that's my bit of pastry what's broke off, but very nice. No soggy bottom, nice and crunchy. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, so smooth, rich and creamy. Oh, that brings back memories. That is very nice. Just like a proper egg custard should be. Absolutely beautiful. Anyway, That's it for this one then, guys. Hope you give it a try and enjoy. The full list of the ingredients will be down in the description, and we'll catch you in the next one. Love you, bye.
You